Was September last year, we were into the mid of payroll timelines. It took almost 6 to 7 days to reconcile the data of attendance of more than 700 employees across India. Also, once the payroll got processed, we received a lot of queries regarding TDS since that was the appraisal month. At that point of time, we realized we needed a change. We knew we have to make a choice. So in the previous era, we were dependent upon multiple spreadsheets, manual punches to reconcile the attendance data, which almost used to take 6 to 7 days. But I believe it should not take more than a day.
At Sunstone, we truly believe that we are what we are because of our people. And our endeavor has always been to create a more constructive workplace for our people. A workplace which is more transparent, which is more fair, which is more objective, which is extremely clear and is very, very simple for people to understand. And that's where we partnered with HR1 in this cultural transformational journey.
To solve all this, we explored a lot of platforms, but we as a team came across that the HR1 is that one platform. The promise was very much clear. Streamlined attendance, automated payroll, and digitally enabled engagement on the single platform. And believe me, they delivered it.
Not only this, one of the most crucial process for any HR team is ensuring your exit and post-exit formalities gets closed gracefully and on time. And again, very, very happy to say our FNF process, which was earlier completely manual, used to take over 60 days to get closed, today gets closed within 20 days once an employee leaves the organization. So within 20 days, we are able to ensure that the person knows his or her FNF, the acknowledgement is duly taken, the statement slip is updated, so on and so forth. Not only this, even if we talk about the entire employee lifecycle journey, I think another very, very important and crucial point from a talent management and retention perspective is ensuring that your people are clear on their goal setting, they are aware about their appointment letter. Again, in Sunstone, we have a day zero appointment letter generation process. Yes, you heard it right, from a completely manual process to ensuring that the appointment letter reaches to the inbox of the new joinee the day the person joins is something, again, that we take extremely proud of being able to build within this system. So back in financial year 2024, we as a team took upon ourselves a very, very bold target of becoming a complete paperless HR organization from being an extremely manual organization. So talk about some of the big achievements that we take extreme proud of would be automating 110 plus people processes, making them more simple, scalable and sustainable. And if I have to give you some examples around some of the processes that we've been able to make simple and sustainable, would be our payroll is completely in-house, gets processed within a tad of 3 working days for multiple entities, and compared to last year, it was about 20 days.
But it was not all about attendance and payroll. Features like celebration box and badges brought a lot of positive energy to the workplace. We have observed that employees felt seen, engaged and appreciated. We finally had time for what mattered: building strategies, focusing on growth and fostering a culture where employees thrive.
So with HR1, I'm proud to say that our journey, our transformational journey rather, has just not been operational. It has been emotional, it has been personal, it has been cultural, and above all, for our people. Thank you.